Now, dramatic situation is here in front of the Chattogram Joram stadium, and you could see a man got bitten. The only thing he wants is tickets, nothing else. Is it wrong to want tickets? That's his question is. And he seriously got bitten. You see some of the spots. You see some of the spots. All the people got stitches. All the people got bitten by the police. And now, and he can't even work properly at the moment. Is it a right situation? You see? See what's going on? All the people got bitten. All the people got bitten. This is not the situation we want here in Bangladesh. Every single year. Doesn't matter when BPL started. Every single year, even in every series, there's no tickets for the people. So many seats are empty. But still, there's a huge problem regarding tickets. And this is not entirely a good situation. This is not entirely a good scenario for the Bangladesh cricket. And that's simply because they are the spectators. They are the ones. Why you actually arrange these tournaments? Why you arrange series? So when you arrange series for the people and then you don't provide them with tickets, and then they want tickets. They're not looking for tickets for free. They're actually paying for it. They're paying for it, and then you bid them. Is that the question for you? Is that how you control your tickets? And he's now nearly dead. He got seriously bitten, and he wants some water. He wants some water. So to the BCP, all the people, everyone. Even my question is, where are the tickets? And why do you bid the people when they want tickets? Is that how you control it? Is it your management? Is it how you control this? If you cannot provide tickets properly, and now this man is literally, he's literally out of breath. He's literally out of breath. He can't breathe properly even. This is literally breaking the image of Bangladesh cricket around the world. This is not just a situation for our country. This is totally breaking the image of Bangladesh cricket around the world. BPL doesn't have that kind of hype around the world, and then you bring in situations, then you bring in controversies regarding tickets. Is that how you control it? Is it your management? That's the question. Now these people got bitten. You see the